rainbow of light, soaring like an eagle's flight, beckoning on, call of our song to touch the wind and chase the rain today. All through the springtime, joy will blossom like a waking flower, inviting meadows, offer all the many blessings that are ours. Greener than green, bluer than blue, colors of a world so new. Opening eyes, filled with surprise, to touch the wind and chase the rain today. After the winter, every song of spring will fill the air. After the summer, we will find a golden autumn we can share. This is our land, all that's in view, living in a world so new. We learn that love can rise up above to touch the wind and chase the rain to